Hate complicated guides but still need to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance smoothly? We've got your back. First, log into your Binance account. Head over to Wallet, then Funding or Spot Wallet and click on Deposit. Select USDT as your coin and choose the correct network, TRC20 for low fees, ERC20 or BEP20. Make sure it matches the network you'll use on OKX. Copy your Binance USDT deposit address. Now, log into OKX. Go to Wallet, then Withdraw. Select USDT, paste that Binance deposit address, and choose the same network. Enter the amount, review everything, and confirm the withdrawal. You might need to pass 2FA verification and possibly an email confirmation. Important tips. Network must match on both ends. Double-check the address before confirming. And do not share your 12-word seed phrase. Need help choosing the right network or checking fees? Drop a comment below.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.